Chad Chronicles. It's day 334. It is a Sunday. The deer's standing there looking at me. Sorry. Thought I saw something. Anyway, 3:34. It's a Sunday. Of course, I'm doing my usuals, getting ready to do some laundry. Made some coffee, walking the dog. Of course, he's taking off like he's going after something. I don't know what he's doing. Maybe he'll just go potty. He's starting to shed a lot now, so I guess I need to brush him. Like, she vacuumed last night, and then today it's like Harrigeddon. So I don't know. It's at that time of year where it's like winter coat time. Oh wait, I don't need it. And then he doesn't. I don't know. Just get rid of it. So I'm doing, doing laundry. I've got to pack up my work stuff that I had for when I was, like, my computer's out and stuff like that, my glasses. Get that, and then I also need to go get gas in the truck and probably the van, and then probably anything else that I need gas in. So may just be making trips to the gas station all day today. Well, we'll see. Sounds like a good time though, doesn't it? All right, so I got gas in the work truck. Now I'm gonna try to get gas in the van. I haven't driven it in a minute, so it's probably good that I drive it. So we're gonna do that. All right, well, I got gas in the van. So now I've got gas in the van and the truck. So I figured I need to drive the van a little bit because it has been sitting for a while. Probably do the same thing to the Hellcat. So maybe after this, if the clothes are about ready to be switched over, we'll take the Hellcat out for just a little bit. And, you know, just drive it some because it needs to be driven too. Need to take the duster out, but I don't know. I'm just kind of the hassle of like having to raise up all the garage doors and everything. It's just too much. But it's gonna get too cold to take it out soon, so I don't know. No, we'll start with the clothes and the Hellcat, and then we'll see where we're at. Because I kind of want to get back on the farmhouse a little bit. I don't want Snow to be in this crate all day since I got to work tomorrow. So, all right. So we decided to take the Hellcat out, and drive it just a little bit. It doesn't really need gas, got about half a tank of gas in it, so we're gonna maybe just drive it for a little bit. All right, so we got gas in the Hellcat. Drove it to New London and back, so now we can go home and finish up laundry and maybe work on the house. Hey. All right, so while got the gas, got my clothes going, got one load in the dryer and another one in the washer. Haven't eaten anything yet. I still need to eat something, and I haven't gotten on the farm yet. Why? Because I went ahead and finished up this remix real quick. I think it's done, so I'll give you a little bit of it. But yeah, so I'm gonna get something to eat, I think, now, and then maybe get on the farmhouse a little bit, just because I'd like to get that one part done, at least finish the wall out, since I kind of messed up that cut yesterday, and I might take the doggo with me. I don't know, we'll see. All right, so it's about 4:10. Did get some more done, not a lot done, but got some more done. I'll show you. I got all the way to over there, insulated. So, you know, today was hard to get motivated. I was just like, I don't know, because we got such a late start because I had to go get gas and everything I own, seems like. And, yeah, just kind of, I don't know, just been kind of tired, so I just kind of took it easy. I think the idea that, uh-oh, I gotta sneeze. Maybe not, maybe so. I don't know. The idea of having to go to work tomorrow is like kind of a downer. And it just kind of kills your motivation because you're like, oh, I got to get up at, 6 o'clock and, uh-oh. Dang, I got to sneeze, but I can't. Ugh. Anyway, so, I think having to get up in the morning is like, I don't know. It's just defeating. So I didn't get as far as I wanted to get today. But, we got some stuff done. And, I don't know. That just, like I said, it just, maybe kind of a gray day today too, so it's not real bright in here, and it was just like, I don't know, I ain't feeling it. So I got 1, 2, 3 and a half roughly more runs to do, and then fill those full insulation, and then that wall will be complete all the way to the back attic access. So, and then I've got to put a board up here somewhere too. It's like, they just use one, so it's kind of strange. But, yeah, whatever. Old houses is what they do. They just make it work for the time they need it. And I guess it did. I mean, for the time they lived here, it worked like a champ. So I'm just trying to make it better, I think. I mean, I don't know. I want to make it really energy efficient, so I've got that's why I'm pulling all the siding off and putting the house wrap on it and fixing the boards and putting it back. And I feel like it's kind of overkill in a way, but I don't know. I know this wall here is definitely overkill. I don't need this many boards in it, but I've got 16-inch wide insulation, and those gaps are like 24 inches. So kind of had to do something there, or go buy new insulation. So I had extra 2x6s, so I decided, why not? I'll just stick 2x6s in it. So today we got gas, we got laundry done, which I still got to fold like 3 fleece things, and that's it. And got the dishes washed this morning, or was it last night? Maybe it was last night. Yeah, I did dishes last night. And kind of got the song finalized and the remix song, and then worked on the farmhouse a little bit. So, then kind of being lazy. That's what I do. So we're gonna go upstairs now. All right, it's outro time. It's 3:34. 3:34. Got Tab Johnson tonight on the perch. And I guess Beaner wants to go outside. Because it's raining, because that makes sense. So, pretty good day. Just watching a YouTube marathon thing, and because nobody uploaded any videos, really. So, gotta work tomorrow. That sucks. Bye.